welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out some treats. I have Kimira and Korra with me. Korra, say hello.
And Kamden's asleep.
In today's video, we're going to be trying out snacks. This is called trytreats. They were kind enough to send me a box and for us to try out. It's international snacks that you can try out for yourself. Let's go ahead and get on to the video. We're gonna go ahead and open the box with my pin here.
Oh, I thought we already opened the box.
No, we didn't.
But we opened that box that Mom.
Alright, so here is the box. And we're just gonna show you guys some of the treats in here.
I see chips. Is that India?
I have no idea what color flag this is. It says Germany. So the box that they sent
got Germany.
is Germany. And what it comes with is a card here, and it has "Welcome to Germany." This month's treats come to you from Germany, a country located in Europe and bordering France to its left and Poland to its right. So all the snacks are from Germany, Berlin, Germany. It has a list of all the snacks that are going to be in your box here. So today's box is Germany. First one, hot and spicy by Lorenz. Let's try this one.
I always wanted.
These are like the snacks here on sticks. So let's try this. It's hot though. It's spicy.
Get your water.
Oh, this is like. Okay, hold on, Korra.
Oh yeah.
This is like the shoestrings in America, like the shoestrings.
And I'm trying to get them.
This doesn't taste too. Ooh. I'm not a fan of spicy food, but this isn't really that spicy. Is it spicy to you?
Yeah.
Push it down.
I would get my talkie though.
This is alright.
Here's the picture. It's German.
Daddy would like this. It's kicking in my throat. Man,
Yeah, I know. It's hot.
It's kicking in my throat. No, my water is the green cup.
What?
The green cup. Come on now. I'm choking. Ew, where'd that water been?
You just said the green cup.
Ooh. Korra, what do you have? Korra done open up. What is this?
Chocolate bear.
Smarties. Inch Ben Azbabia. Okay, so this is Smarties.
And why are they called Smarties and why are they little?
Smarties? Let's see.
I want purple.
Alright, taste it.
Here's
This
my
is Smarties, like little chocolate cream here.
Wait, they taste like Smarties? Mommy.
Oh yeah, I've tried this one before.
Mommy, we gotta rate this. Anyways, I rate this
That's like a 6.
I rate this like a 9. It's good, but I don't like the spicy.
Okay, hold on. I guess this is Smarties in Germany. But the Smarties in America is like candy. This is chocolate, but it has like different colors.
It's kind of like M&M's.
Yeah, but I'm not a fan of. I don't know why it tastes different. I
mean, the outside flavor is still the Smarties flavor.
Yeah, I don't really like it. So the next one we have, I already tried this. They have different flavors like this. The soft exotic candy. You want to try this one?
I'm still eating it.
Korra's been waiting for this one. Which one? This one. Okay, here, Korra. Go ahead and try this one.
Oh, you remember I always used to eat the red ones? I didn't get to what happened. Ooh, I got a pupa.
I'm still not a fan. But it is vegan, free from gelatin. Korra likes it. You like it? Okay, well, I guess you're going to sit here with that bag.
10. I give this like an 8 out of 10.
No, she don't walk away. Bye, Korra. You gonna walk away? That's your bag now? She said deuces.
I give this an 8.
Moving on, we got this. What is this?
Ew.
It's a lollipop by Belfine. I think I say that right.
Delphine.
Oh, okay. So Korra can have this. Just a chocolate teddy bear. So I'll just give this to her. Okay, Milka. I didn't even know Milka was Germany. It was a German chocolate. Milka. I mean, it makes sense. It's always in the German aisle. Anyway, so this is what's next. Milka. Yes, you want this? Okay, Korra's gonna try her chocolate bear.
Milka is kind of like Milky Way, I think.
And I apologize, guys, if this video is all over the place. Alright.
We didn't even know we were about to do this right now.
We're about to eat this chocolate.
I just said, like, let's do it right now. Bye! Anyway.
Or tell them what it is.
I have to show Milka.
Teddy bear?
Okay, she's just twirling
Okay, go
around.
taste it.
Okay, here's the Milka now.
Okay, we're gonna try the Milka. Let's see. Is it good, Korra?
This I keep eating. I'm still eating it.
Come here, just put that to the side. We're moving on to the next
But
snack.
I like this Germany.
It's not Germany, it's German. Germany is the country. All right, let's go.
I like this German.
Here, this is Oreo inside.
I don't like it. It's too sweet.
It is too sweet.
Mommy, this is what Germany people like. This is too
It's not Germany people, it's German people.
German people. Mommy,
Okay.
I'd rather eat these.
Whoa, Mamba is Germany? I mean Germany. Look at she got me saying Germany. I didn't know Mamba was a German candy. This is like my favorite.
Let's eat it.
All right, let's try it.
Next on love.
This-
Next on love.
This flavor is strawberry.
Wait, you know what's perfect? That's the perfect flavor. That's the.
All right, we're gonna try this strawberry Mamba. Even though I had no idea this is German candy.
Mommy, you're not even giving it.
One for you.
Is it a gum?
One for you and one for me.
Is it gum?
No, it's candy. Let's go ahead and try this out.
My lips are burning
I love
from
Mamba.
the first, from the-
Let's try it.
I never tried Mamba.
Mmm. I don't remember Mama tasting like them. What's good? It's pretty good. I need some water
For the
after
first
this.
time I'll try
Alright.
it.
The next thing I see in here is this haunting stick. What is it? What is this?
Honey stick.
Oh, it's a honey stick. Oh, we ran out of honey. Perfect time to get some of this honey. So I'm gonna use this later because I'm gonna make some honey lemon tea. So the next one we're gonna, oh bueno, I already know how this tastes. Do we need to open this for this?
Yeah.
No, I already knew this is
Wait,
German
we
candy.
already taste that. Though.
Yeah, I know, that's why.
Wait, that's not even a. That should not even be a Mexican food. We already
Mexican food, Mary. We're over here with the Germans. This is a German box. This is a German box. From Germany. Look, Germany. Where you been at, girl? So we already know what this tastes like, so I'm not gonna open this.
Because
Kimira had way too much sweets, obviously. She think we in Mexico over here. She think this is Mexican candy. Alright, so the next one we're gonna try is salt licks. And it's pretty much pretzel, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out.
my mouth is burning from these.
Ooh.
Gotta keep this
Ooh. Korra, you know she like, you just one.
Ooh, that's long. Hey, you didn't even give me one.
Ooh, I like how it's so thin. It's not like the regular pretzels. Ooh, look at all the. Korra, you like it? I don't know. I feel like I need some hot cocoa with this.
Mommy, it's just a video. Oh my gosh.
You can't even keep the pretzel in your mouth. This girl's do it. This is actually legit. And look, it has like a lot inside the bag.
Did you know there's a lots of kind of pretzels in Germany?
Oh,
There's a lot of bread in Germany.
yeah.
They make a lot.
Last thing that they have in this box. How many stuff do they have in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
9. 9.
No, 10.
No.
10 items.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
10. The last one they have is curly.
Curly peanut butter. Ew,
It's
no.
with freshly ground peanut.
I'm not eating that.
It's okay, I'll taste it.
And you know what? I should try tasting. I ate a peanut butter sandwich. I should taste that. What?
I don't even know how to explain this.
I don't taste the peanut butter.
It's not peanut butter, it's peanuts. I can't even explain the. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, in this box. If you guys are interested and want to try your own trytreats box, the link will be down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Let's show them our favorite, our favorite thing.
Okay, what is your favorite thing, Kimira, in this box?
Mommy!
That's your favorite thing? I have to say that's my favorite too. Let me try this one more time.
I like it. Spicy and sour. I thought this was your favorite.
No, for some reason it tastes different.
If it didn't taste different, that would have had different flavor.
But if you guys are interested and want to get your own box, like I said, use the code LOVVESAMMAY, 50% off for your first box. Alright, bye guys.
Bye guys. Ow.
Thank you for watching.
Actually,
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This is my favorite. Bye. Back to our channel.
Yeah, so in today's video. Okay, Korra. Be careful. Korra, did you say bye?
Yeah, bye. How do you stop it?
Go the red button.
What's the red button?
On the other side.
Right here?
On the other side. What's the other side of where you're at?
Oh, right here. Right here?
Nope.
Right
In
here?
the back.
Right here?
No.
Ugh.